Hello guys, in this video we are going to take a deep look on Israel and Palestine issue. If the issue between these two states will not be solved, then what will happen? Is it going to be the World War III? Maybe, because almost every country is connected to another country economically. The trade is between every country is going continuously. So if there will be any threat to one country, the another country who is trading with that country will going to support this country. So if such that if we are threatening Israel, then what will happen? US will support Israel, Germany will support Israel, Brazil will support Israel, Italy will support Israel. Then what? Is it going to be a big war? Then what about Palestine? Palestine is a Muslim country. Some 57 Muslim countries are going to be with Palestine. Then what will happen? China is trading with Pakistan. Then China will almost going to in favor of Pakistan, so they will also support Palestine because they don't want an innocent to be killed. So if China is against Israel, then US is going to be the favor of Israel. Then what will happen? China will go against US. The US will against, then it will be a very big issue. So in this video, we are going to talk deeply about Israel and Palestine issue. If there will be not any ceasefire, then what will happen there in future? We are seeing it by complete research. So if you have any question, let us know. Israel is continuously attacking on Palestinians. The story you are seeing every day, but the story of Israel is still not good as well. Israel is facing worst condition now. Israel has Iron Dome and strong defense system, but it is showing that it will not help Israel. Because if the Israel didn't stop, Hamas is continuously hitting many rockets. It's destroyed algorithm of Iron Dome, and it is costing millions of dollars for Israel. And Hamas is sending rockets, and each rocket is nearly about just $100, and Iron Dome is nearly about $1 million. So Israel is also facing many problems, and Israel is also between Muslim states, and Israel is doing continuously attacking on Palestine. Palestine is a Muslim state, so despite of this, Israel is now at the center of Muslim state. You may say he is in cage of Muslim countries. If anything happen, previous day the OIC meeting held and 57 Muslim countries take part. They made a rude behavior on this issue. If Netanyahu not move back, then these 57 countries are going to take against Israel. But what? Wait. US is helping Israel and China is against Israel, so China will go against US as well. So this story will go beyond our expectations. If not right steps will not be taken, it may be go to World War III. China is supporting Palestine. 57 countries are going to support Palestine, and Israel is among inside and the center of Muslim states, Jordan and other countries, and every country is protesting against Israel. So Israel must take a step down to ceasefire. But if that will not happen, then it will go beyond our expectations. What are your views about that video? Kindly tell us in comment section. Thank you.